I'm going to discuss here a very short, sweet, and interesting question in trigonometry. Generally, it's a little rare to get this type of interesting question. Yeah, the question is saying if A, B, C are the angles in arithmetic progression, right? It's AP stand for arithmetic progression, or you can say arithmetic sequence. Prove that cotangent of B is equals to sine of A minus sine C divided by cosine of C minus cosine of A. Okay. So we need to prove these things, so let's take a look a little seriously. All right, so see here, in our left hand side we have only B, but in our right hand side we have A as well as C. So you already understood that you have to convert this B into the A and C form, or you can say the A and C form should be converted into the B form. All right, so how to do this? For that we are given a clue, that is A, B and C are in AP. So you know already that whenever any number of terms are in AP, then their common difference, respective two terms, I mean the consecutive two terms difference is always constant. That's always same. Means the difference of A and B and difference of B and C must be constant. I'm going to say from question what we have get, that difference of A and B, that is B minus A, is equals to the same, C minus B. So now as in the question, B should be converted into the A and C form. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write this minus B into the left hand side, and that will be plus B. Alright, so minus B plus B, and now it's C, let's write as it is, and it's minus A, so I'm writing this minus A into another side. Minus A will be plus A. Alright, so it's twice of B equals to A plus C, and then finally what I can write, that B is equals to the sum of A plus C over 2, half of the sum of A plus B by 2. So here we convert B into the A plus C form. All right, A and C form, that's it. I just want to say that. And now what is the next step? Next step comes from here. Can we solve this left hand side by putting this chord will be now, if I'm putting B as A plus C, then it will be A plus C divided by 2. So cot A plus C by 2. Can you do anything further? No, it's very difficult to proceed. So if we walk on the right hand side in this present time, sine A minus sine C divided by cos C minus cos A, we can easily work, because see, it's sine A minus sine C, that's sine X minus sine Y formula we can use here. Similarly here, cos X minus cos Y formula you can use, and further by applying those identities, trigonometric identities, we can elaborate, we can cancel, and something will happen definitely that will give us cotangent of B. All right, we don't know, I don't know even, but I'm sure that there will be something. All right, so left hand side we're not going to proceed, we're going with right hand side. Right hand side is our sine of A minus sine of C divided by cosine of C. It is first C minus cosine of A. So to solve this, we should know two formula here. Let me write those two formulas. That is sine X minus sine Y, because it's sine X form and sine Y form. So the formula of sine X minus sine Y, you must know. That's twice of sine X minus Y divided by 2 cosine of X plus Y divided by 2. Okay, and similarly here we have cos C minus cos D form, or you can say cos C minus cos A. That's also close to this cosine of X minus cosine of Y. That's actually we have two formula for this. You can use minus or without using minus. If you want to write without using minus, then it is 2 sine X plus Y divided by 2 and sine Y minus X divided by 2. Keep in mind that it's Y minus X divided by 2. If you want to write minus, then it will be minus 2 sine X plus Y divided by 2 times sine X minus Y divided by 2. So whatever you feel easy, you do that, but depending on the situation, you may have to use this one or you may have to use this one. So let's proceed, and the condition will tell us which we need to use. All right, so it's sine A minus sine C. For instead, I'm using this A as a X and C as a Y, so I can compare this sine X minus sine Y exactly with this guy. All right, so it's going to be 2 sine X minus Y, that is A minus C over 2. A minus C over 2. Similarly, it's now cosine of X plus Y, that is cosine of A plus C, not X, A plus C divided by 2. Similarly, in the denominator we can work, and in denominator we have cosine of C minus cosine of A, and for instance I'm supposing this C as X and A as a Y. So cosine of x minus cosine of y, that's 2 sine x plus y by 2. Look at here, this it gets changed, you know. A was x and has been y now. C was y and has been a now. So we have to use any of this formula you can use, actually, no problem. If you use this one, it will be further you need to take insert the negative, because in the left hand side we didn't have negative sign. So I think we don't have to use this, we have to use this one. All right, so let's use it. What happens, we'll check it out. Sine x plus y, so here x is c and y is a, so it's c plus a divided by 2. And again sine x minus y, that is c minus a, that no, that's y minus x. All right, so that's a minus c divided by 2. Wow, wonderful, that is what I was looking for. Sine a minus c by 2, sine a minus c by 2, we get cancelled, and 2 and 2 get cancelled. Again, see here, cosine of a plus c by 2 and sine of c plus a by 2. A plus c and c plus a, that's the same thing, you know. I mean cosine of a plus c divided by 2 over sine of a plus c divided by 2. I can write a plus c plus a as a plus c easily. All right, so now what is that? Cosine of a plus c by 2, sine of a plus c, that's a ratio of cot, you know, cot a plus c. Oh, how bad my handwriting is. A plus c divided by 2. All right, and we had recently converted this a plus c by 2 as a b, so it's going to be cotangent of b. Hey, that's our left hand side, you know. Left hand side, cotangent of b is equals to sine a minus sine c over cos c minus cos a. That we proved it. So this is how we need to do it, you know. So you have to look at the questions very nicely, and then the question will always give you the hints, you know. Always the question comes with the hint, comes with the solution. So you should be able to look at that, you know, and that comes after the practice. Keep on doing practice, different types of the question, much practice you need to do, and then you'll start enjoying the trigonometry. And the day you'll start enjoying the trigonometry, you're gonna rock the trigonometry. All right, see you in the next video. Goodbye.